So how do you photograph a 100-million-year-old microfossil?
I'm Aaron Huey, this is Hawkeye Huey, and today we're photographing with the world's smallest scanning electron microscope.
These devices are usually the size of a whole room, but this portable version, the size of a toaster, is the first of its kind. These are radiolarian skeletons. I'm told these are the apex predators of the zooplankton world, but they're actually smaller than a speck of dust. These tiny skeletons help scientists study global warming. Their chemical signatures can tell us about ocean health back through millions of years. Since this microscope uses electrons instead of light, there's a lot we have to do to prepare. First, we put the samples on these tiny platforms. Then, to make sure the surfaces don't trap electrons, we put them in a vacuum chamber and coat them with silver, which is heated and deposited as a fine coating. Inside the microscope, the sample is scanned with a beam of electrons, which bounce off, get collected, and then are converted into a signal that is sent to a screen to capture the image. Even though these are smaller than dust, it takes 20 to 80 images stitched together to make the complete photo. Check out the results.